It's Michael Vaughn Williams, the Sprinkler Man with Aquamatic Irrigation, and I'm looking at this property to install a new lawn sprinkler system. So the first thing I look at is the water meter to see what size it is. And here's where the water meter is. It's in this box. I looked here and it actually showed me that this is a 3/4 inch water meter. So what that helps me do is figure out about how many heads I'll be able to put on each zone. So what I've done is divided the yard into sections or part. So this first zone is going to be this small area on the side, and I'll tie in the flower bed with that. And also pick up this section. Zone 2 would be the big part of the front yard. And on this one I'll use mostly the stationary heads. And this will be zone 3 on the side of the house, left side. Now zone 4, I'll have zone 4. This will be rotaries. Zone 3, all of this on the side of the house, those will be stationary heads. And that'll be zone 3, so 4. And 5 would be the other half of the yard with rotors. And walking along the other side of the house, this will be zone 6. And the other side of the fence to the sidewalk is going to be zone 7. Now I may ask the homeowner if the backyard he would like to have another area where he could have a small flower bed that wouldn't be covered from the yard. So if that's the case, then we'll add one more zone. Now the last thing I'll do is check to see what the water pressure is. So I'll have a gauge I'll put on here, check to see what my water pressure is. Then I'll know exactly how many heads I'll be able to put on each zone. So I've taken a sketch of the property, which is this. So it's pretty detailed, as you can see. And with that, I'll know how much parts to buy, how many feet of pipe, how many heads, those sorts of things. So you have Michael Vaughn Williams, the Sprinkler Man with Aquamatic Irrigation, 346-476-9065. If you're in the Houston, Sugar Land, Missouri City areas, Pearland areas, give me a call. And also, please take a look at listen to my podcast, the Do Your Best Until podcast. Michael Vaughn Williams, Aquamatic Irrigation.